Jesse Livermore was an American trader who is considered one of the greatest traders in history. Born in 1877 in Massachusetts, Livermore began trading at the age of 15, when he started working as a stockbroker's office boy. Livermore made and lost several fortunes during his career, but ultimately made a net profit of over $100 million. He is known for his ability to read market trends and for his famous book, Reminiscences of a Stock Operator, which is still widely read today. Livermore was known for his unique approach to trading, which involved closely studying market trends and identifying patterns that other traders were missing. He was also known for his willingness to take big risks and for his ability to maintain emotional control in the face of market volatility. Despite his success, Livermore also experienced several personal tragedies, including the loss of his son and 2 marriages that ended in divorce. In 1940, at the age of 63, he committed suicide by shooting himself in a New York City hotel. Despite his tragic end, Livermore's legacy as one of the greatest traders of all time lives on. His trading strategies and insights into the psychology of trading continue to inspire traders and investors today. George Soros is a Hungarian-American investor, philanthropist, and political activist who is widely considered one of the most successful investors in history. He was born in Hungary in 1930 and fled the country during World War II to avoid persecution of Jews. After studying at the London School of Economics, Soros began his career in finance as a stock trader. He later founded the hedge fund Soros Fund Management, which became one of the most successful and profitable hedge funds of all time. Soros is perhaps best known for his famous bet against the British pound in 1992. He correctly predicted that the pound was overvalued and shorted the currency, which led to a rapid devaluation of the pound and netted Soros over $1 billion in profits. In addition to his success in finance, Soros is also a noted philanthropist and political activist. He has donated billions of dollars to support causes such as human rights, democracy, and education through his Open Society foundations. Soros has also been a vocal critic of authoritarian regimes and has been involved in various political campaigns and movements around the world. He has been the subject of controversy and criticism from some quarters for his political activities and his support for progressive causes. Despite the controversy surrounding him, Soros's success in finance and his philanthropic work have made him one of the most influential and well-known figures in both the financial and political worlds. John Paulson is an American hedge fund manager and investor who gained widespread recognition for his successful bets against the U.S. housing market in 2007 and 2008. He was born in 1955 in New York and began his career as a mergers and acquisitions specialist at Bear Stearns. In 1994, Paulson founded his own hedge fund, Paulson & Company, which has become one of the largest and most successful hedge funds in the world. In 2007 and 2008, Paulson made a series of bets against the U.S. housing market, which led to massive profits for his fund during the financial crisis. Paulson's successful bet against the housing market was made by purchasing credit default swaps, which are insurance-like contracts that pay off when a borrower defaults on a loan. When the housing market collapsed and mortgage defaults surged, Paulson's investments paid off handsomely. In addition to his success in finance, Paulson is also a noted philanthropist and has donated millions of dollars to support causes such as education, healthcare, and environmental conservation. He is a signatory of the Giving Pledge, a commitment by some of the world's wealthiest individuals to donate the majority of their wealth to philanthropic causes. Despite his success in philanthropy, Paulson has also been the subject of controversy and criticism for his role in the financial crisis and his firm's involvement in certain high-profile corporate deals. However, his unique trading strategies and philanthropic efforts have made him a prominent figure in both the financial and philanthropic worlds. Paul Tudor Jones is an American hedge fund manager and philanthropist who is known for his successful trading career and his philanthropic efforts. He was born in 1954 in Tennessee and began his career as a clerk on the trading floor of the New York Cotton Exchange. Jones later founded his own hedge fund, Tudor Investment Corporation, which has become one of the most successful and profitable hedge funds in history. Jones is known for his macro trading approach, which involves analyzing global economic trends and making trades based on his predictions. Jones is also a noted philanthropist and has donated millions of dollars to support causes such as education, environmental conservation, and poverty alleviation. He is the founder of the Robin Hood Foundation, a New York-based nonprofit organization that works to fight poverty in the city. In addition to his philanthropic work, Jones is also known for his outspoken views on economic policy and financial markets. He has been a vocal critic of central bank policies and has expressed concerns about rising income inequality and the impact of technology on employment. Despite some controversial statements he has made, Jones remains one of the most successful and respected traders in the world of finance. His unique trading strategies and philanthropic efforts have made him a prominent figure in both the financial and philanthropic worlds. Ray Dalio is an American investor, hedge fund manager, and philanthropist who is the founder of Bridgewater Associates, one of the world's largest and most successful hedge funds. He was born in 1949 in New York and began his career on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Dalio is known for his unique approach to investing, which he calls principles. This approach is based on a set of principles for decision-making that he has developed over his long career in finance. He believes that by following these principles, investors can make better decisions and achieve greater success. In addition to his success in finance, Dalio is also a noted philanthropist and has donated millions of dollars to support causes such as education, healthcare, and economic development. He is the founder of the Dalio Foundation, which supports a wide range of philanthropic initiatives. Dalio is also the author of the best-selling book Principles, Life and Work, which outlines his approach to decision-making and management. He has been recognized for his contributions to the financial industry and his philanthropic work with numerous awards and honors. Despite his success, Dalio has faced some controversy and criticism over his management style and his firm's involvement in certain high-profile corporate deals. However, his unique approach to investing and his philanthropic efforts have made him one of the most influential and respected figures in the financial and philanthropic worlds. Warren Buffett is an American investor, business magnate, and philanthropist who is widely regarded as one of the most successful investors of all time. He was born in 1930 in Omaha, Nebraska, and began his career as an investment salesman in the 1950s. Buffett is the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, a holding company that owns a diverse range of businesses, including insurance, energy, and retail. He is known for his long-term investment approach, which involves finding undervalued companies and holding onto them for the long term. Buffett's investment success has made him one of the wealthiest people in the world, with a net worth of over $100 billion. He is also a noted philanthropist and has pledged to donate most of his wealth to charity. In 2010, he and Bill Gates launched the Giving Pledge, a commitment by some of the world's wealthiest individuals to donate the majority of their wealth to philanthropic causes. Buffett is also known for his down-to-earth personality and his folksy wisdom, which he has shared in numerous interviews and books. He is often referred to as the Oracle of Omaha for his insights into the stock market and his success as an investor. Despite his enormous wealth and success, Buffett remains humble and focused on long-term value creation. He is widely regarded as a role model for investors and business leaders around the world. Nicolas Darvas was a Hungarian-American dancer, self-taught investor, and author who is known for his unique approach to trading in the stock market. He was born in 1920 in Hungary and began his career as a ballroom dancer in the 1940s. In the early 1950s, Darvas became interested in investing and developed his own trading strategy, which he outlined in his book How I Made $2 Million in the Stock Market. Darvas's approach was based on the concept of buying stocks that were breaking out to new highs and using a stop-loss system to limit losses. Darvas's trading strategy allowed him to achieve remarkable success in the stock market, and he made millions of dollars in profits during his career. He also became known for his Darvas box method, which involved using technical analysis to identify stocks that were poised for a breakout. In addition to his success as an investor, Darvas was also a noted author and speaker on the topic of investing. His book How I Made $2 Million in the Stock Market remains a classic in the field of trading and has inspired many investors to follow in his footsteps. Although Darvas's approach to investing is controversial and has been criticized by some, his success as an investor and his unique perspective on the stock market have made him a prominent figure in the world of finance. Jim Simons is an American mathematician, hedge fund manager, and philanthropist who is known for his groundbreaking work in mathematics and his success as the founder of Renaissance Technologies, one of the world's most successful hedge funds. He was born in 1938 in Massachusetts and began his career as a mathematician in the 1960s. In the 1980s, Simons founded Renaissance Technologies, a hedge fund that uses quantitative trading strategies based on mathematical models and statistical analysis. The fund has become known for its exceptional returns, with some estimates suggesting that it has generated average annual returns of over 40% since its inception. Simons' success at Renaissance Technologies has made him one of the wealthiest people in the world, with a net worth of over $25 billion. He is also a noted philanthropist and has donated millions of dollars to support causes such as scientific research and education. Simons's work in mathematics has also been highly influential. He is known for his contributions to the field of differential geometry and for his work on the Chern-Simons theory, which has applications in physics and other fields. He has received numerous awards and honors for his contributions to mathematics and science. Despite his enormous success, Simons is known for his modesty and down-to-earth personality. He has been described as a reluctant billionaire who prefers to focus on his work and his philanthropic efforts rather than his wealth. Ed Seykota is an American commodities trader and pioneer in the field of computerized trading. He was born in 1946 and grew up in Oregon. Seykota is known for his highly successful trading career and for his contributions to the development of computerized trading systems. Seykota began his trading career in the 1970s and quickly became known for his innovative approach to trading. He was an early adopter of computerized trading systems, which he used to analyze market data and make trading decisions. Seykota's computerized trading systems were highly successful and allowed him to generate significant profits in the commodities markets. In addition to his success as a trader, Seykota is also known for his unique approach to trading psychology. He is a proponent of the idea that emotions play a significant role in trading success and that traders need to develop a disciplined approach to managing their emotions in order to succeed in the markets. He has written extensively on this topic and has become a respected voice in the trading community. Seykota's success as a trader and his contributions to the development of computerized trading systems have made him a highly respected figure in the trading community. He is known for his innovative thinking and his willingness to challenge conventional wisdom in order to achieve success in the markets. Richard Dennis was an American commodities trader and hedge fund manager who is known for his turtle trading experiment and his success in the commodities market. He was born in 1949 in Chicago, Illinois and began his trading career in the 1970s. In the early 1980s, Dennis and his partner William Eckhart conducted an experiment to see if trading could be taught to anyone. They recruited a group of individuals, whom they called turtles, and provided them with a set of trading rules and a small amount of capital to trade with. The experiment was successful, with some of the turtles going on to become successful traders in their own right. Dennis's success in the commodities market made him one of the wealthiest people in the world, with a net worth of over $200 million at the time of his death in 2018. He was known for his contrarian approach to trading and his willingness to take large positions in the market. Dennis was also a noted philanthropist and supported a number of causes, including education and the arts. He donated millions of dollars to organizations such as the Lincoln Center for the Performing Arts and the Art Institute of Chicago. Despite his success, Dennis was known for his humility and his willingness to help others. He was widely respected in the trading community for his innovative approach to trading and his willingness to share his knowledge and expertise with others.